So at this point you should have the software downloaded. It'll either be as a pop-up notification, or if you haven't got that, if you just scroll down to the top there, in your notifications it will show you that the software is now downloaded, so you can click on that and then click install. Now click open, and you'll always get this message saying that it was built for an older version. It says it every single time, just ignore it. Press OK. Now you need to allow all of the permissions. If you don't do this, and obviously the software won't be able to gain access to parts of the phone, and so it won't work properly. So if you just each and every single one, just say either while using the app or all the time if that's available. So allow, 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 allow. Okay, so then the next part is you'll be taken to the accessibility screen. And now on my phone you should see that software update is at the top. On the Samsungs you tend to find it's in a folder on the same screen called installed services. I don't think I've got it on mine, but you'll find there's a folder called installed services. If you click on that, you'll then find software update inside. So the next thing to do is click on it, and either one or two things happen. It's either going to open up or you're going to get this message. Depending on which one you get, it depends on which part of the instruction you need to go to next. If you look at the bottom of the instruction guide, you can either click on the fact you got restricted settings, or you can click on the fact that it's let you through, and that will take you to the next video.